Got a gingerbread house. Pre-built. Wait, it's pre-built? What? It's pre-built? Uh-oh. It's pre-built. Maggie! I'm just gonna put it out and pretend like I built it already for myself. I'm a master builder. Master. Professional. Look at that. I'm so fast. Why is this pre-built? That's so mean. How dare they? This sucks. Why are you pre-built? This is ridiculous. I did it!
Oh, wow.
Guess what?
What?
It's pre-built. We didn't even read this.
Oh no.
It's pre-built. So all we have to do is decorate it.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's really simple.
You get it.
Oh my god. This one.
Do we need bigger scissors? Oh my gosh, watch out for your fingers. Don't look away.
I don't think it's gonna. Oh.
Did it work? Squeeze. We got it done!
It's good, it's good.
Oh, it's good? It's coming out?
Yeah.
Yay! Perfect wreath. How goes your door, Maggie? What else are we gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna do the chimney. Upside down.
The Christmas
Oh, you're supposed to put the wreath on the door. Oh well. We just have a really high wreath. It's a family of tall people. They didn't give us much room to have in front. Look. Like, there's no walkway or anything. It's just, hello, door. Make sure you get it centered.
Is that centered?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Aw, it looks cute. Okay, now we need to actually decorate it, though. Just do those on. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, no, our chimney.
These ones are deformed. Oh my gosh, I don't think this guy wants to stay.
You will stay.
I want to do one from the little, like, in the middle.
Okay. Wow! Oh no, I just put two balls next to each other that are the same color. This was not done by a professional designer. Dink! Nope. Why couldn't they have a pre-decorated one? That worked out well. Then orange. Oh no, we're not gonna finish the sequence.
Let's put it in the middle.
There. They're beautiful. Alright.
And we still need to do icicles on that side.
Let's see. Alright. Here we go. We'll do a 360. And because it's a California one. Oh. You gotta make a second one, Maggie.
Oh yeah. Guy with portraits.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
That down.
I'm a professional. I got on our tree! Oh no.
So you can eat that?
Mm-hmm.
Everything's edible.
Oh, is that like graham crackers?
Gingerbread.
Are you guys following the plan, or are you just doing what you want to do?
We're just doing what works.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah. Kind of. Maggie, can you make a little red hat for my snowman?
Have you done this before?
I've done gingerbread houses before, but you had to make it yourself. Like,
Oh,
they gave you the pieces and you had to glue it together
wow.
or icing it together. But this one was pre-made.
I think that's better.
This one's not as much work.
Uh-huh.
Because whenever you do those ones, they never stick together.
They don't.
The roof always falls off. And then you're left with a broken mess. It looks like a ghost now. This does not look like a snowman, it's a ghost. This snowman looks so creepy. Grandma, what do you think this is?
I think it's a happy gingerbread man.
It's supposed to be a snowman.
Snowman?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, but it's gingerbread. So, okay, I get you. Of course it's a snowman. He certainly has a big grin on his face. There's something he wants to tell us.
This is a Roman Hawaiian house. Oh, that's think? It kind of looks like a cowboy ghost. The abominable snowman. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a haunted gingerbread house.